Hi and welcome back to A to Z Convos. In this video, I'm going to go over idioms that mention body parts. So these will be body parts themed idioms. And if you haven't yet, please go ahead and subscribe. And remember, I really want to hear how you see how you use these idioms that you're learning in sentences. So go ahead and put those in the comments below. The first idiom is to turn a blind eye. Turn a blind eye. And that means to pretend that you don't see something or to ignore something. So I would use it in a sentence like this. The police officer turned a blind eye to the speeding car. The police officer turned a blind eye to the speeding car. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and use it in a sentence and put it in the comments so I can see. The next idiom is to keep your eyes peeled. Keep your eyes peeled. And that means to be on the alert or to be looking for something or watching for something. So I would use it in a sentence like this. The neighborhood watch team keeps their eyes peeled for any suspicious activity. Or keep your eyes peeled for the revelation of the surprise. So it means to watch for it or be on the lookout. And now it's your turn. Go ahead and use it in a sentence and put it in the comments so I can see. The next idiom is to give someone a hand. Give someone a hand. And that means to help them or to assist them with something. And I would use it in a sentence like this. I gave my neighbor a hand in raking the leaves. Or the student gave the teacher a hand in collecting all the tests. So now it's your turn. Go ahead and use it in a sentence and put it in the comments. Give someone a hand. The next idiom is to get your foot in the door. Get your foot in the door. And that means to begin a connection or to establish an opportunity or create an opportunity that will help you later on down the road. So I would say this in a sentence. I got an internship at the pharmaceutical company, and that helped me get my foot in the door so I could get a full-time job there. Hope that makes sense. Now go ahead and use it in a sentence and put it in the comments so I can see. The last idiom for this video is to get cold feet. To get cold feet. And that means to become hesitant or unsure about a decision or an action that you are going to take or were about to take. And this is how I would use it in a sentence. You'll hear this very often. The bride got cold feet the day before the wedding. Or the groom got cold feet when it was time to walk down the altar. So that means they started to have doubts or feel nervous about the decision they were about to make. And now it's your turn. Use this in a sentence and put it in the comments so I can see. Thank you for watching this video. And if you have any questions about any of the idioms that were covered, please go ahead and put them in the comments. Subscribe for the next video and future videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.